In this demonstration, we're going to look at implementing document fingerprinting. Document fingerprinting is a DLP feature that converts a standard form into sensitive information type. The document fingerprinting DLP agent will identify the unique word pattern for a document, create a document fingerprint based on the pattern, detect outbound documents contain the same document fingerprinting pattern, and the resulting document fingerprint can be added to a DLP policy or a transport rule. I've come into my Exchange Admin Center, I've come to Compliance Management, and I've come to Data Loss Prevention. Next thing we're going to do here is manage our document fingerprints. This brings me into a little table. So the first thing we need to do here is we need to actually set up our document fingerprint. So we'll select New. That'll bring us into Wizard. So what we need to do here is we just need to fill out the name, the description, and specify the documents that we want to add to the document fingerprinting policy. I'm going to call this employee form. It's used by the HR department and contains confidential information. We'll select plus to actually upload our document. I'm going to upload the datum-employee form.docs and we'll select open. Now if we upload the document, we'll select save. And we now have our document fingerprint, so we'll select close. Now what we want to do is we want to associate that with a DLP policy. I'm going to click on my plus button. I'm actually going to create a new custom DLP policy. This will bring me into my wizard. I just need to fill out the information. I'm going to call my block employee form. I'm going to enable this and I'm going to enforce this and we'll select save. Now we've done this, the next thing we need to do is we need to create some rules associated with our policy. So we'll highlight the policy, click the edit button, and then what we'll do is come to rules, and this is where we'll now start creating the rules for the policy. What I'm going to do is click on my plus, and what we want to do here is we want to block messages with sensitive information. And we want to block this for internal, so we'll go for inside the organization and select OK. Then we'll highlight our select sensitive information types. We'll select add. We'll scroll down and we're looking for employee form. There it is there, and then we'll select add. We'll select OK and OK again. Under the do the following, so we'll generate an incident report and send it to, and then what we'll do here is we'll select one. And what we'll do here is we'll select administrator and select OK. Then what we'll do is we'll go for custom content. We'll just leave original mail highlighted and select OK. Then what we'll do here is we'll come to block the message. What we'll do at this point here is we will block the message, but enter the message that the NDR for the users will receive. Just need to put some information in here. And I'm going to say your message is blocked due to company policy, contact extension 21, and then for more information. Then we'll select OK. Right, we're not going to bother with any exceptions, so if we scroll this down, audit this rule severity level, I won't specify. We will enforce it and we will activate this rule, and we'll do that today. Now we'll scroll this down. We won't deactivate the rule at any time. We won't stop processing more rules. We won't defer the message if rule processing doesn't complete. Match sender address in the message. We'll just leave it as header. And then we won't bother with any comments just at this point, and we will select save. Then what we'll do is we'll just save off our DLP policy. And now we've configured all this, let's just test it. So we'll just go to our client machine. I've logged in as a user called Aidan, and what I've done within here is I'm going to send an email message to a user called Ali. What we've done here is we've attached the employee form, and what we now get is we get the policy tip. This message was blocked as it was deemed to contain financial data. Also as well, the recipient isn't authorized to receive this type of information. So view details about the information that appears sensitive, so click on our learn more button, and it just tells me here it's an employee form. If we don't think this information is sensitive, please click report. Well, we know it's sensitive, so I'm not going to bother clicking report, but that's the end of this demonstration of creating document fingerprinting. Thank you.